Now let's wrap out. Why should you invest in your child's education into this CPU program? Number 1. Enhanced university preparations. This CPU program equips students with the skills and knowledge for the preparation of the university applications. It actually provides rigorous curriculums for the opportunity for the students to learn so that they are prepared for the university when they pursue further studies. Number 2. Global opportunity. With its international recognition, these CPU programs would actually open doors for your child to gain access to the prestigious university globally. Number 3. Comprehensive skill development. These CPU programs would actually develop the important skills required for a child's growth, such as covering areas in critical thinking, moral study, problem solving, creativity, and independent research. Of course, if you require further information on our programs and offerings, please log on and follow and subscribe to our channels and pages. See you soon in the class.